Hello, my name is Harsha Garg and I am an author and entrepreneur life alignment coach. And I've been doing this work for over 10 years and have a background in corporates as well for over 10 years. So, my expectations of this retreat is to make friends, to have a great time. We are all here in a beautiful place called Zorba. So, contribute my best, what I can offer to people, serve to the best, and get their best from myself. Thank you. So thank you for this wonderful opportunity, Ranjini, for reaching out that can we organize a retreat and can you partner with me? So I think I really appreciate your courage to think like that, And I was like, fine, I can partner for sure, but on my own, maybe I was not able to think to do a retreat. And this whole experience, 2 nights and 3 days was loaded with what one would expect in a retreat, learning, fun, new connections, meeting all such lovely new people, and each one, through their own experiences, gave so much new learnings to me in the sense like, we had a color therapy session, which was so learning and so therapeutic at the same time. And the first session actually by Priyanka on self-worth grounded is like, if there's any issue around, you believing in your self-worth, let's settle that first. So the way the sequence of all programs followed, it felt like it's magical, and it was like pre-planned in such a intricate and detailed manner that it just fitted in so well. And then there was this session on breath work by Nazia, which again helped in taking care of a lot of health issues in a subtle way. And there was a session by Dr. Bhamini, and she specially traveled for this from Kerala. And what she taught us, as an educationist, her experience on goal setting and managing your task, and getting into this non-doing zone where you don't have to really do a lot of work to be more effective. In fact, you have to do less work to be effective. So that was newly created. And another gentleman, he traveled from Jaipur for this and on a very short notice. And when he traveled, he was like cherry on the cake. And unexpectedly, without notebooks and being in a playful fun, doing fun activities, one can learn so much. So a huge thanks to everyone, and Phillips as well, to come from his corporate background and keep sharing all those experiences while we were here. And he's a biker, and his experiences during my alignment session made a lot more clarity to me that how a vehicle's alignment and life's alignment makes sense together. So thank you everybody.